Hey socialites, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ariell. I create mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle vlogs. So be sure to hit the subscribe button so you too can become a socialite. So today's gonna be my first ever makeup tray video. I've been pretty much seeing this video all over YouTube of the fragrance girlies doing their fragrance trays, which is gonna be the fragrances that they plan on wearing throughout whatever month it is. And I thought, why not do one for makeup? If you're a fellow makeup enthusiast like me, sometimes we get caught up in all of the new releases and sort of forget about the products from last month or the month before. And sometimes even our holy grails are the products we love the most. So I wanted to start doing monthly makeup trays just so that I could sort of put at the forefront the products that I want to reach for or try a little bit more throughout the month. So you guys, I have quite a few things. So I'm gonna move quickly. I don't want to bore you guys. I'm gonna move kind of fast. So we're going to start off with primers. First up is the Refi primer. This is the face primer Glow and Sculpt from Refi. This went viral. I think it's still pretty much viral, but took the internet by storm maybe about a year ago. I've been having it for maybe about 6 months or so, if not longer. When I first got it, I was using it, and then so many new things came out, I sort of steered away from it. But I want to kind of play with this with other foundations. This one's a little bit more moisturized, supposed to help your makeup to stay on a little longer as well. So this is in the tray. And next is my e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filter. I really love this filter. This is one of those products that you can either use as a foundation, or you could use it to sort of mix it in with your complexion products to give your skin a little bit more of a glow. So it's a glowy, luminous product. Another one, when I first got it, I was using it. I thought I would be using it a lot more this summer than I have been, but I've been playing around with some other products similar to this, but I thought, let me pull it out before summer is over, so I had to add this to the tray. And next is my Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder. This one is in the Universal shade. Now, I got this a few months ago, you guys. I tried the Yummy Skin a long time ago, maybe like a year or so ago. I have a full review up of this on my channel, but the socialites told me to get Universal because it's like the most oil controlling primer. I think I might have played around with it once, another product that I never got a chance to get back around to. So this is what it looks like. So definitely want to add this to the tray. I want to try this out with a few foundations just to see what I really think about it. Next is the Morphe Continuous Prep and Set Mist. Definitely want to play around with this more. I do have a full review up on my channel of this product. It's pretty good. I did use it today and I like it. I use it to set, not so much to prep the skin, but I want to play around with this a little bit more, using it both ways. Moving on to foundation, this is the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream. Now this is another one I thought that I'd be reaching for a lot throughout the summertime, but there's been so many new foundation releases. I've been just trying out new stuff, but this is a really good one. This is one of those kind of hybrids that has the skincare in it. It plumps the skin, which I love. This is a beautiful foundation, you guys. I just want to be able to reach for this a little bit more and play around with it with other primers, but this is gorgeous. The difference between this one and the other foundations that sort of have the skincare properties in it, this one gives you a lot more coverage than the other ones. The new Fenty Beauty Eavesdrop Stick Foundation. This one just launched, so definitely want to play around with this month. Westman Atelier Foundation Stick. This is actually one of my favorite foundations, just period. Gives you a beautiful finish, pretty long lasting, just a gorgeous product that I haven't been reaching for as much. And then the L'Oreal True Match Tinted Serum. I definitely wanted to throw a drugstore in the mix, y'all. This one is a really good one. I'm actually wearing it today. I've been enjoying this and I definitely want to use it more in the month of September. Concealers, the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Concealer. This is one of my favorite concealer, like my top 2 concealers. I don't think I have very much left in this, so that's why I threw this one in the tray, because I want to go ahead and use this one up and then I can add it to my empties box. Sephora's Best Skin Ever Concealer. I picked this one up during the spring Sephora sale or the winter Sephora sale. I can't remember, but I've basically been using this to sculpt out my brows, but I want to use this a little bit more on the face. So I threw this in here so I can reach for this one more often. And then the Naked Quickie Concealer. This is a really good one that I love. This gives you that full coverage, just flawless beat face complexion. If you want like the Instagram girly looks, this is what this will give you. It's been on the back burner for the past few months, so I definitely want to pull it out. Moving on to cream bronzers, the Charlotte Tilbury cream bronzer. This one is in the color 310. I really like this one. Super creamy, love the color of it, easy to blend, but I've been having this a while. I want to say like over a year. So I wanted to throw this in the mix. I want to reach for this more often so I can go ahead and use it up. Next is a newer one to me, the Essence Baby Got Bronze. This one is really good as well. This one was actually on my August favorites. Next is a brand new product to me, which is the Juvia's Place cream bronzer in the color Amber. Now I used this in a tutorial on one side of my face, basically a trying new makeup video, but I hadn't used it on a full face. So I definitely want to play around with this more. Moving on to eyeshadow, I added to the tray 2 bite-sized palettes from e.l.f. I've used this in like a couple of tutorials so far. The quality is excellent, really love them, so I want to use them more this month. Couple of more affordable products is the Game Beauty eyeshadow palettes. Now I used this in a tutorial last month, only got to play around with it once, but it is gorgeous. It has gorgeous shades in here. That's the Victory palette, and this one is the Harbinger palette. Moving on to powders. Now this is a powder that I love. When I tell you a 10 out of 10, something very unique, almost unlike anything I have in my collection, which is the Makeup Forever HD Twist and Light powder. Gorgeous powder, beautiful finish. I just want to play around with this more with the different foundations this month. CoverGirl's Clean Invisible Powder. Definitely want to start using this more, especially on my affordable makeup videos. Since I'm starting to dabble a little bit more into drugstore makeup, y'all, this is really good. I'm wearing it today. I think it has a beautiful finish, and I want to say it's like a $6 product. You get a ton of product in here. There's no flashback. It has pretty clean ingredients in it. So yeah, I definitely want to play around more with this one. My Say Beauty powder. This is in a color translucent medium. This is a powder that I feel like is slept on. I don't hear a lot of people talking about it, but it's just one of those undetectable loose powders. Super natural, mattifies, like a soft matte finish, but it's a beautiful powder. Definitely want to use this month. And then the next 2 powders are sort of similar. The Hourglass Ambient powder. This one's in the color Eternal Light. It just gives a beautiful soft focus to the skin that's just unmatched, makes your skin look so elevated. And then what I would call like a drugstore version of it, the Physicians Formula Butter Glow Press Powder. It gives you a similar look, just that soft focus. You see how when I move, you just see that almost a sheen, a glowy sheen. I have this all over. Moving on to blushes, the Kokie blush. I think it's called Kokie. This one's in the color Tender. It's just a beautiful orange color. As you can see, it's like a darker orange here and then fades into a lighter orange. Really pretty. The Makeup by Mario Plumping Blush in Perfect Pink. This is one of my favorite blush formulas, but I don't get to reach for it as often as I would like. That's why I wanted to add it to the tray so I can be more intentional. L'Oreal's Infallible 24-Hour Blush. This one is in the color Darling Rosewood. Now this is a powdered bronzer. This is one of NARS Laguna bronzer in the number 6. You could wear this as a blush or a bronzer. Definitely want to reach for this more because this is one of my favorites. Moving on to lip products. For liner, I have 2 Juvia's Place liners. One is in the color So Rare, which is like a medium tone brown. Feel like I showed you guys this so much. And then the other one is in the color Cola, which is a deeper brown. And especially because these are going to be on sale on 21 Days of Beauty, I definitely wanted to include these in my tutorials more because you guys will love these. And then this is Makeup Forever's lip pencil in the color Limitless Brown, which is one of my favorites. Put it down here. As you can see, it's almost identical to Cola, except probably double the price, but it's a really good pencil. I love it. Since it's so small, I thought let me go ahead and use it up this month. Definitely wanted to throw e.l.f.'s lipstick in the color Hustle in the mix. It's the color that I'm wearing today. Fenty's Beauty Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the color the MVP. It's the one that went viral probably about a year ago or maybe less than a year ago. It's beautiful, but I don't wear red as often anymore, so I definitely wanted to start including this in the mix this month. Sephora Collection Glossed Lip Gloss in the color Brave, nude color. NARS lip gloss in the color Orgasm. It's a beautiful pink color with soft reflex in it, but because it's not that much left, I wanted to go ahead and use it up this month. Sephora's matte lipstick. This is from their new matte lipstick line that they have, and it's in the color 10, which is a beautiful, almost like a hot pink or something. It's so pretty. Moving on to mascara, I want to use up the e.l.f. Big Mood mascara. This is a good one for volumizing. It's a really nice mascara, especially for the price. And then the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes. This is another good one. This one lengthens and separates really nice. I like this one too, but since I bought it, I've rarely been picking it up, so I definitely want to get use out of this one. Moving on to eyebrows, the NYX the Brow Glue in dark brown. This was like my staple for many months, you guys. Since it came out, I have been using it non-stop, but it's been on the back burner since I got the Ariell one, but it's pretty much gone, so I wanted to throw it in the mix just to use it up and add it to my empties box. And then my Ariell brow glue, this is a staple for me. I'll be using this all month. And then another finishing spray. This is the MAC Fix Plus Magic Radiance Spray. Now this sets your makeup and gives you more of a radiance to the skin, not so much matte. Y'all, this is so good. There's actually a primer that goes with it, but since I got it during the holidays, I rarely pick it up because I use so many others, but I'm getting use out of this one this month because it's actually a really good spray. One more eyeshadow product I forgot to show you guys is the Charlotte Tilbury Eyes to Mesmerize, you guys. Now this was gifted to me from the brand, but it's one of those cream shadows that's a beautiful champagne shade, so I definitely want to use this month. And then some waterline pencils. Now this, y'all, I use this so much, but I've been using a couple different ones. This one's the LA Girl Perfect Precision Liner in the color Nude. This is it. I always use a light shade in my waterline. I'm actually wearing this today, but this is what it looks like. It just opens your eyes, gives you more of an awake, open look. And if you have smaller eyes like mine, makes them look a little bigger. And the other two are for the same purpose, but this one's a little darker. This one is in the color Flesh. It's the same pencil, but in the color Flesh. So this one's more of a flesh tone. Hopefully you can see it. It sort of blends into my skin, but it still gives you an awake look, but it's more subtle, which I like subtle sometimes. And then the last one is the e.l.f. No Budge Matte Stick, and I use this for the same purpose in the waterline to open my eyes up, but I use the shade Thrift Shop a lot. This one's the shade Bombshell, the pink shade. This is what it looks like, and this will be for the waterline as well. So that's it for my monthly makeup tray. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you would like to see more videos like this, comment down below, let me know you liked it, and I'll definitely get another one up next month. Also, let me know if you're interested in seeing a fragrance tray. I do plan on doing the same thing for fragrances. That way I can use some of my fragrances up that have been kind of sitting in the back burner. Comment down below, let me know what are some of the products that you're interested in pulling back out. Hopefully this video inspired you to pull out some of your old products, maybe some stuff that you hadn't been able to reach for like you used to. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit subscribe on your way out. I would love for you to come back, join the family, watch some more videos. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love, 'cause too fresh with the scars. Well, I don't have the